Let's make the FP whip. To make this drink, we're going to start by putting 2 ounces of our whipping cream into the shaker. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Four ounces of pineapple juice. 4 ounces is 120 milliliters. Oops, wait. 3/4 ounce of your Falernum. 3/4 ounce is 22.5 milliliters. 1 ounce of your Gay Eclipse. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And 1 ounce of your Smith & Cross, 30 milliliters. I'm going to start by giving this a dry shake. Dry shake done, I'm going to get some ice. Now that I have some ice, I'm going to fill my pint glass with ice. Now I'm going to give this a wet shake. So add some ice. And I'm going to strain this into my ice-filled glass. And it is a pint glass, not a Collins glass. Ooh. For some reason, my shaker seems to leak cream products. I don't know why that is. I'm going to wipe off my hands real quick. These hands are clean. Now to garnish, I'm going to start with the grating of the nutmeg. Ow! Ugh. I'm just kidding. I don't know why I always do that. Thank you, Jason and Amy, by the way. How do we do this a good way? That's not going to do it. That's part of my thumb. There's got to be a trick to using this that I don't understand yet because I'm not a high-tech person. Nutmeg. And I'm going to put on a twist of lime. And by put it on, I mean I'm going to twist it, express it, wipe it, and discard it. Add a straw. I'm not bleeding, that's good. And finally, a little skewer with some pineapple on it. You can use pineapple leaves or a wedge of pineapple if you'd like, but this is it. This is the FP Whip. Drink with good spirits.